7 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? The eastern slopes of the Berkshires. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.